This is a cisa Astral. It has a two-star kite mark. I'm not real sure if it's the pin and pin version at the end or not. This is another one of those locks where you might just kind of have to bear with me for a second. So I'm going to use like no pressure, which is a Z-bar. I'm going to start out with the curved head multi-pick for the adjust. You know, I have the ones that you can switch them out. All right. So, ooh. There we go. Got a little bit of core movement on number 2. Come back to 1, 3. When I'm sliding the pick under these pins, I am literally letting like all of the tension off the lock and just kind of letting the tip of the pick push these down. 4, nothing on 5 yet. Alright, so now I got into a little bit of a false set. I'm going to switch to the short flag and try to get back to the back. Let's see something. Yeah, I don't think it's ready. 2, okay. So now, something. There we go. It would help if I was actually okay. I might have got that set. One, 2, yeah, and 2 opens it up. 2 is super deep set, and because of how big this is, once I get past number 3 back to 4, 5, and 6, I can set them to the first part. But when the spools come into effect, I have to switch to the smaller flag and just tap them down into the, you know, to the correct depths. And when I say I was using no tension on this thing, I was literally just resting my finger on it and just kind of just real slow, just tapping it down, because this has that same really gnarly keyway as like this Avis, and then the Avis EC75, but that's the cisa Astral.